Hello everybody, I'm Sadie Zabawa. I'm the Youth Services Librarian at the Weaver Bolden branch of the Tuscaloosa Public Library, and welcome to Build a Bug Workshop, where you get to create your own incredible bug. What you're going to need to create this craft is the Build a Bug Workshop packet, and you can find this on the Bama Bug Fest website, which is bamabugfest.org, and you can download it there and print it out at home. Or you can visit the main branch of the Tuscaloosa Public Library and visit the children's desk. And there are some already printed out there for you. So once you have this, you're going to need another piece of paper to glue your bug down on, some glue, a pair of scissors, and some markers or crayons or pencils, something to put color onto your bug. Make sure you ask permission before using your glue and your scissors, and if you need an adult to help you cut things out, don't hesitate to ask. So, let's look at our Build a Bug workshop. The first thing you're going to do is you're going to choose a head and body part. So we've got our heads here, our thorax, which is the middle section of the bug, and our abdomen, which is the end section of the bug. And you're going to choose one from each column. And you can mix and match across the board. So I'm going to cut mine out now. All right, I've got my head, my thorax, and my abdomen cut out. So now I'm going to add some legs. I think I like these jumpy legs, but also some of these longer legs, and it says to choose 6 to 8 because insects and arachnids usually have between 6 and 8 legs. But if you wanted to add a bunch more legs, it's totally up to you because this is your bug. So I'm going to cut those out and add them to my bug. All right, I've got all my creeping legs added. Now it's time for some wings. Not all bugs have wings, so maybe yours doesn't. But if it does, go ahead and grab some. I think I'm gonna go with this bottom row here, but I'm gonna just choose the top wing or else you won't be able to see all my legs, and I love my bug legs. So I'm gonna cut those out and add them now. All right, I've chosen my wings, and there's one more thing I can add. I can add antenna and I can add a mouth part. I think my bug is going to get these cool feathery antenna, but I don't think it needs a mouth part. Its mouth is closed and you just can't see it. So I'm gonna add my antenna, and then I'm gonna color my pieces before I glue them down. When you're coloring your bug, think about where it lives. Does it need to blend in with the leaves or some bark, or can it be beautiful, brightly colored, polka dotted with stripes and glitter? It's totally up to you. It's your bug. So I'm gonna color mine now. Okay, I've got all my parts colored. It's kind of jewel tones, got yellows and blues and greens and purples here. So now it's time to glue it down exactly the way I want it. All right, my bug is all glued down, but it looks like it could fly off the page. I think my bug is called the shy fly because it kind of looks like it's hiding behind its antenna there, and all it eats is cotton candy. If you do the Build a Bug workshop, I hope you take a picture of it and post it so that we can see it on social media. If you hashtag Bama Bug Fest, we'll see it, and you can tell us a little bit about the bug that you make. Thanks for joining us.